Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change address on OnlyFans for taxes. So, let's get started. First of all, log into your OnlyFans account using your usual credentials. Once you are in, click on the profile icon from the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Become a Creator. It has a bank and plus icon. Next, you will be asked to choose the country of your legal residence. Now, select a country you are currently residing in. Keep in mind, you won't be able to change this later once the address is added. If you ever need to update it again, you will have to create a new account with the correct information. After choosing your address, click the tick button, then click Next and follow the on-screen verification steps. And that's it. Now you know how to change address on OnlyFans for taxes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.